A blog is a type of website that focuses on written content, also known as blog posts. With a blog, you will share your story, get recognized, have a voice and be heard, and also make money from home. So, are you a blogger? Do you want to start blogging? At the end of this video, I'll be sharing more than 20 ways you can earn money blogging. So if you are not a blogger, you might consider starting one. I'll be highlighting some of these ways so that this video won't be so long. Okay? If you're a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you are new here, you are welcome. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let's get started. The first way I'll be sharing that you can earn as a blogger is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, as you may know, is simply when you partner with brands to promote, market, or recommend their products or their services with a unique link. Whenever anyone buys using your link, you will get paid. To get started, you will have to find out affiliate programs available that your audience are interested in. You can start with the products or services that you are using currently. Find out if they have affiliate programs and sign up. When you sign up for these programs, you can use a WordPress plugin called Pretty Links. It should be on the screen. Use Pretty Links to manage your links, your affiliate links. Whenever anyone buys with your link, you will get paid. The next one is to display Google AdSense on WordPress. All you have to do is to add a script from Google to your website and start displaying ads. Whenever any user clicks on your ads, you will get paid. This is called cost per click. For every click on the ad, you will get paid. You can also use WordPress advertising plugin and start displaying ads directly. With this, you don't need any intermediary because intermediaries will also have a cut of the profits. So if you are going for this, you will have to negotiate price and terms on your own. The next is to flip websites. Get a website, start a website, get traffic to this website and sell it. To get started, you should know the website that is in demand. You should also know how to price and negotiate, okay? So that you won't be running at a loss. Next is to speak at conferences, public speaking gigs. You can speak at conferences and get paid. Even if you're not getting paid, you will see it as a way of promoting yourself and your brand. If you are not interested in the aforementioned, like placing ads on your blog posts, you can sell sponsored blog posts. Because sincerely, ads can be annoying. If you don't want to put ads in the faces of your readers, you can go for sponsored blog posts because some readers are even using ad blockers and this will affect your potential earning. To get started, you have to meet with companies in your niche, companies that have products or services that your readers might be interested in, something that will be beneficial to your readers. Meet these companies, make sure you go with your media kit. Your media kit should contain your social media following, your audience demographics, and your traffic statistics. In fact, anything you think that will make your blog appealing to the advertisers, go with it. Negotiate with them. Your job basically will be to represent this brand or company, talk about them and promote their product or their service, and you will get paid. Make sure what they have or what they have to offer is beneficial. When publishing sponsored posts, you have to know the laws in your area about disclosure. If you don't want to place ads on your blog post, another option is to go for product review. You will be given these products free of charge to use, and after using them, you will still get paid to review them. To get started, you will have to meet companies in your niche, companies that have products or services that your readers will be interested in. Get to review their product and you get paid, or websites like pay-per-post can help to connect you with businesses that are interested. Other ways you can earn money as a blogger is to create a paid membership website where your audience will have to pay to gain access to some parts of your site. Here are some ideas to get you started. Create a membership site where your most loyal readers are huge fans and willing to pay to read more from your work. Create a private forum.
that users must pay to get access to. Create a question and answer community to help you build an online community that is motivated, driven, and highly engaged. You will have to build a sizable community after that and monetize it using ads.
You can also create a directory website with WordPress where you charge visitors to advertise their listings on your website. Here are some ideas to get you started.
Create a paid business directory to gather reviews of local businesses, share the best podcasts on a given topic, or list the best products in a certain niche. You can create a WordPress job board with paid submissions. You can also create a WordPress event calendar with paid submissions where you charge people to advertise their events.
If you need a more low maintenance way to earn money blogging, you can create and sell your own digital products. Here are some digital products you can create and sell.
Write and produce a book or collect some of your old blog posts and turn them into chapters of a book. You can sell online courses by creating lessons in your area of expertise with supporting materials like slides, templates, and checklists. You can host a paid webinar.
You can also sell services online using WordPress. With this, you don't need any upfront investment of creating a product. Here are some ideas to get you started.
Offer freelance services. You can offer your skills and expertise as a freelancer. You can start your own consulting business on your existing blog. You can also become a coach, giving advice, guidance, or accountability for setting goals and improving one's life.
You can also sell physical products online. Here are some physical products you can sell online.
Start an e-commerce business by creating your own online store using WooCommerce. You can create an online t-shirt store, create a WooCommerce dropshipping store, or you can as well create an Amazon affiliate WordPress shop.
You can offer your platform as a service. Here are some ideas to get you started.
Create an online marketplace website where users can buy and also sell their own products. You can make an auctions website where users can bid on a product to purchase them. You can also create a job marketplace website and make money on each job listing. You can charge a fee for job listings or when a job is completed.
You can become a WordPress designer or developer. Check out these ideas.
Develop WordPress plugins. You can sell WordPress themes. If you enjoy web design and development, you could start creating your own WordPress themes to sell. You can also sell graphics on your WordPress site, such as stock images or logos.
The last but not the least way you can make money blogging is to accept donations. You can accept donations using WP forms. This is one of the least effective ways you can make money as a blogger because you have to rely on the generosity of your readers. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Please share and give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, consider doing that. I will see you in my next one. Would you be starting a blog? Have you started already? Which of these ways have you been implementing? Let me know in the comment section below. I will see you in my next one. Bye-bye.